Welcome to Prudent Practice Startup Module 2. Who are you? A strong identity leads to success. Welcome. So, as we talked about in Module 1, there are 12 modules in Prudent Practice Startup, the first half of this guide. We're on Module 2. Who are you? A strong identity leads to success. So, who are you? Knowing yourself so that you can create a brand. Congratulations, you've decided to start a practice. It feels like you have a million things that you need to do. So, of course, where do we start? And the answer to that absolutely is let's create an identity. Why? Why do we need to create an identity? Can't we just find a good location and just start? You have to remember that this identity is going to be the foundation for which your whole practice is based. Knowing what we are building and who we are serving will help guide us in all of our future decisions. So with a startup, there's very long hours at first. Each and every patient is so vitally important, and it will be hard to say no to treatment that will bring in valuable revenue. So you need to be in a position to do work that excites you, or at least interests you, that you feel that you are good at. This is going to be the work that propels you and your business forward. These are going to be your initial word of mouth referrals. Success here comes from having a good match between you and your patients. So what's our goal? We want to match up the right dentist with the right practice identity, with the right brand creation, to the right geographic location, which has the right patient base. If we can effectively match and marry these aspects together, there is a chance for explosive growth. So we need to go through the process. We can't just jump straight ahead and start looking for a location. We have to start at the top. You've been watching an excerpt from the program How to Start and Run a Dental Practice Successfully, a step-by-step comprehensive guide. To watch the rest of the module and to give access to the whole program with all the modules, you can go to matherdentaleducation.com/courses/again. Otherwise, if you're watching this on YouTube, just scroll down and I have the course links ready there for you.